Greetings and welcome back for many of you to GGC, and for those of you who are brand new, welcome to College Algebra and to our campus, our virtual campus this semester. I want to take a moment to just do this video and share who I am and just sort of my expectations for you for this semester. I'm Professor B. You can call me Professor B, but my name is Dr. Natasha Bruley. This is my email address and my cell phone number. Please make sure that you take note of all of it. And if you need to get in touch with me privately, you can absolutely use either of these to reach me. The best way, though, to reach me is via text message. I do not have physical office hours due to our current circumstances, but as you know, we have virtual office hours weekly for this class. This course, you're going to basically be working through modules, weekly modules, and you'll be expected to review videos and other digital media in preparation of the content. These will be available as assignments in your homework portal in MyMathLab. And you may want to also spend time at the Academic Enhancement Center, PSI, or visiting me during virtual office hours if you have questions. You'll be engaging with your classmates on GroupMe. So I would say, if we talked about 4 primary tools that you'll be using this semester, it'd be Desire to Learn, MyMathLab, email, and then of course GroupMe, as we pointed out before. So let me just tell you where things are. GroupMe is related to you getting all of your, not GroupMe, I'm sorry. D2L is related to you getting all of your lecture slides, your handouts, some of the videos that I'll do, they'll be there. You can also get your assignments for the weekly motivational prompts that I'm going to basically be giving you. Your actual homework and videos, homework, quizzes, and everyday progress for your grades will all be in MyMathLab. And I would say that you're expected to log in to D2L, MyMathLab, and do the work regularly so that you don't fall behind and you can really see what's going on in class. You're also expected to regularly check your emails and GroupMe for updates. All right, so this is the course breakdown. As you can see, we have a participation attendance grade, you have an online worksheets, you have your MML quizzes, homeworks, and then of course your exams, and then your final. So I just wanted to go through a few of these. The Motivational Mondays, as we mentioned before, are designed to help you reflect holistically about your life. And they're also to help you get support during the course of the semester in developing a positive mindset for the entirety of the course. Because sometimes people just get a little, unmotivated. And so, we just decided to bring this component into the course just to keep your energies high. Online worksheets, you will be completing online worksheets so that you can learn and practice more with solving algebraic problems. You will have 1 week to complete them once they are assigned. These assignments are in your D2L portal as well. All right, you have your homework. Your homework is in MyMathLab, and you should always strive for a perfect score on all homework assignments. If you get stuck on a problem, there are actually 2 features in MyMathLab that will help you. You have your Help Me Solve, and then you also have your Ask My Instructor feature, which will let you, the Ask My Instructor feature will allow you to send the problem to me if you can't get through it, and I can help you by giving you some feedback on what to do. There's no reason why you should not get a perfect score on your homeworks, okay? You have it open for a given period of time, so it's not like it's open for a day. You have time to reflect, think. If you get stuff wrong, ask questions, go back, get a new problem, get it right. You have the tools necessary to do it. No homework grades will be dropped at the end of the semester. Any unattempted homework assignments will get you a grade of 0 at the end of the semester for that assignment. For quizzes, you will have a series of quizzes over the semester in MyMathLab. Typically, you have about 3 attempts, and then they're about 90 minutes per attempt. These are designed to give you ongoing practice of what you will be learning. please, y'all, take advantage of your 3 attempts. It's not often that you have an instructor giving you 3 attempts, so just utilize them. Exams in the final, there will be a total of 3 exams. Exams will be after each chapter, and the final exam will be in class. Really, it's actually online during the final exam period, which will be announced and is also cumulative. For out of class help, you can also go to PSI. They have virtual sessions. You have the Academic Enhancement Center. They have virtual one-on-one sessions. I also think that you can make appointments and go in there, but you also want to schedule your time for PSI because that will be available in D2L once they announce it. And then, of course, you can always get help from me during virtual office hours. GroupMe. So I really want to, I know that we're online, we want to establish a little community. And so GroupMe is one of the ways that we can do that. This is a group texting app which will allow our entire class to stay connected throughout the semester. Please download the app onto your mobile device and accept my invitation. I added all of the students that filled out the survey so that you will be in GroupMe. If you did not get notification, you have either been dropped because you didn't respond right away, or you did not fill out the survey yet for me to add you, all right? Something like that. So please get with me if you did not get your invitation to GroupMe. This is one of the ways that you can stay connected to me and your classmates this semester by asking questions about content. I'll also post the weekly assignments in the GroupMe thread. So I would say, you want to make sure that you have your checklist. You need, right now, your MyMathLab registration. Everybody is expected to register in MyMathLab before January 31st. I also want you to complete your MyMathLab orientation to familiarize yourself with the environment of MyMathLab. Complete your survey that was sent in your welcome letter. Make sure that you are in GroupMe for class communication, and then check your assignments regularly in MyMathLab and D2L. So your full syllabus, the schedule, registration handout, all of those things are in D2L. If you actually go to your screen, you will see, you're in D2L, you will see to the right-hand side a folder that says Spring 2021 Course Materials. All of those items that we just mentioned are there. For this course, graphing calculators are required for this course. Well, and I'll say that's a soft required because you can use scientific calculators, but a graphic calculator just make your whole life easier. So I'm softly requiring it. And then, as I mentioned to you before, here's my work information, my email, and as I said before, the best way to contact me is by text. So once again, this is your technology toolkit, MyMathLab, Desire to Learn, GroupMe, Banner for your grades, and then your email. Okay, so what we want to do now, I'm going to stop sharing here. What I want to do now is I want to just kind of show you how to get to your MyMathLab. How do you actually log in? And so what we're going to do is just do a quick demonstration on how to do that. What you're going to do, you're going to actually open up your web browser, and you're going to type coursecompass.com. When you do that, you're going to get to this page. This is a registration page. If you have an account with Pearson, you would basically sign in here. But if not, then you would just hit the word register student, and then you would go to a registration page. There are 3 things that you need to register. You need your email address, you need the course ID, and then you also need an access code. And that access code can be purchased at our bookstore, or right here, you can actually purchase it online during this registration process. Next, you would hit OK, register now. So at this point, what we would do is we would type Bruley, And I'm actually not going to go further than this because you would have to find the number. It's actually a 5-digit number that is for our class, and that number is in your syllabus, and it's also in the welcome letter. It's my last name, Bruley, and then it's 5 digits. You would put those 5 digits after the word Bruley, and once you've done that, you will see a description of our course. Once you've done that, you can either sign in, because what you're doing is you are connecting the course to your profile. So if this is your second time taking the course, then what you can do is just connect the profile to this course and just use the credentials that you already have for Pearson and sign in. Or if you don't have the credentials, because this is your first time, what you would do is you would put that Bruley and then those 5 digits in. Once you get to the next screen, you would create a profile, okay? And then once you create the profile, you're good to go. They're gonna ask you for a passcode and just some credentials and things that you can use to log in. All right, so that's the process there. Now, once we get back to Course Compass, at this point, once you've created your account, you can hit sign in. And when you sign in, you will see our class. So I'm just going to open up a class here. So let's say you have college algebra here. When you go in to the portal, you'll basically go to assignments. And as you can see, there's some assignments already waiting for you, okay? Your quiz, your homework, and you also have another orientation assignment that's here that's not here right now. It's not active, but I'll make sure I add that as well. Well, all of your assignments can be accessed from the left-hand side of the screen where we have the assignments link. In addition to that, if you're trying to find out what your overall grade is ongoing, you can hit your My Grades button, or in my case, I have a gradebook button, and it will show you all of your grades of all of the things that you've attempted up to this point, okay? In addition to that, the chapter book, the ebook, is also in this portal as well. It's broken down via chapter, and so you can go in here and you can play around, you can look at little tutorials, you can access the textbook. It's an interactive textbook, and you can access the textbook from this left-hand tab. So there's a lot of really cool tools in here. You can also do tools for success. They have tutoring. They have different kinds of quizzes. They have their multimedia library, so you can access that. So little videos, things of that nature. So great resource for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna stop sharing for a moment. And then the next thing I want to show you is how our the GGC My courses look, how that looks for you. So I'm going to actually log in here, and then I'm going to share my screen. All right, so let me go on ahead and share my screen so you can see what we're doing. All right, so